we have INTERGEO 2016 in Hamburg, and it's a very successful INTERGEO here in Hamburg. We have participants from more than 100 countries all over the world, exhibitors 531 from about 40 states, and we have a very intensive dialogue here in Hamburg. And new topics are set up, for example, Smart City, the UAV topic, and digital building or building information modeling. Intensiveness of the INTERGEO 2016 leads to Berlin next year, where we will become more internationally, and for this reason we can say at the moment we will be very successful. Maybe it can be the best INTERGEO of all the time. Maybe we'll get the same result as in Berlin 2 years ago. We have 1,300 participants in the conference. For the first time we have the English language in the conference, so more attendees from the international countries came here. And in the trade fair we expect about, let's say, 70,000 people from all over the world. These data are checked by FKM. In this year we have, more than the years before, the cross-industry dialogue. Not only the topic of geodesy, we have new topics as Smart City, and these topics come together here, are discussed by experts from all over the world, and this is the power of this conference. It's not only a conference which is telling what happened in the past or what happens at the moment. Here are new approaches which lead in the future, and this is the very special thing we can remark in Hamburg. Geospatial industry reaches many parts of everyday life and reaches many parts of future industries, and this is the thing we want to create together with the exhibitors from all over the world, with the experts from the universities or from the organizations. And this geospatial topic, it becomes more central than it used to be in the past, and we have to deal this in a way that it will become a kind of boost for many developments in the IoT sector or in the energy sector or in the mobility sector. The term of smart city is not very clear. If you talk about smart cities, sometimes you talk about mobility, sometimes you talk about energy, and so in each country, in each situation, you emphasize other ideas. But in the end, I think it's important that it creates a better life for people at any place of the world. If you have the core idea that smart cities create a better life for people, this is the factor which is at any place the same. But you have other climate conditions in India than in Central Europe, or you have other populations, for example, in Mumbai than in Hamburg. And so topics have another meaning in those cases. But in the end, technology, geodata are the base for all these developments, and for this reason it's something is different and something is comparable.